Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create seasons for your hotel booking website. Now these seasons help you in a way that you can price different seasons or high peak seasons differently based on other seasons. For example, in winter, in summer, or an all year round season. So how do you do that? You're going to simply come back here to our dashboard, and the first thing you should have is basically a hotel booking engine. And this is an add-on plugin that you have to purchase and install in your WordPress website. So it's called Hotel Booking. I'm going to leave a link right down in the description box below. Once you have it installed and activated, then you're going to come over here to Accommodations and you're going to come to Seasons. Right here I've already created two seasons, one called Summer and one called All Year Round. So I'm going to simply add a new season. But before I add a new season, this is what here they say. Seasons are real periods of time, dates or days that come with different pricings for accommodations. For example, the winter in 2018 can be at $120 per night, and Christmas can be $150 per night. So what we're going to do is simply come over here to seasons, and we're going to add a new season, and I'm going to say winter. The start date of the winter season can be from, let me say, 1st October, and then it is going to end around January. So 31st January, maybe that is my winter, and this season is going to be applied on all the days, so Monday to Saturday. So I simply select the first day and then I shift click to select all the other days. So what I'm going to do is simply publish. Now I'm done creating one of the seasons for our hotel. So we have three seasons, one called winter, summer, and all year round. When you look into summer, you realize that it's running from 1st of June to August. And then when we come over here to the all year round season, it's running from the 1st of January to the end of the year, which is 31st December. So next what you're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set special rates for specific season for your hotel rooms. See you in the next video.